Hey guys, it's that time of the week again. Batch juice with me using my new toy, the Hyperglycaemia self-feeding juicer. I love juicing. I've been doing it for the past 2.5 years and I've seen tremendous health benefits. If you and your family want to start juicing and experience endless benefits too, I would definitely say to start and invest in a good juicer. One of the best features of this juicer is the self-feeding hopper. It basically allows you to feed the juicer with minimal effort, which means less prep time, less manual work. You can even put in your fruits and vegetables whole and enjoy your juice in minutes. The pulp is very dry, which means you're getting nearly all the minerals and vitamins from the fruits and veggies. Now you know all the benefits of the juicer itself, let's batch juice together for the week. So I tend to start with melons. I always get melons in weekly. They yield a good amount of juice and they are also cost effective. Melons are an amazing water alternative that hydrate your body instantly and keep your body hydrated for longer. I try to get in at least 16 to 32 ounces of juice daily so my body is well hydrated, and I never ever forget my greens as well. These are an essential weekly intake for me. Greens are high in chlorophyll, which benefits your blood, reduces inflammation, improves your gut and skin health, and even fights against infections and diseases. I hope you guys enjoyed juicing with me. Check out my YouTube channel for longer form juicing videos if that's something you're into. And also don't forget to check out the Hyperglycaemia 400 slow juicer. I've left a discount code in the caption. That way you get £50 off the juicer if you're interested in purchasing it. Happy juicing!